Hello, fellow bakers. There's nothing quite like the aroma of freshly baked banana bread wafting through your kitchen. It's a smell that spells comfort, warmth, and pure happiness. Today, we embark on a culinary adventure to create the ultimate banana bread, a recipe that's as simple as it is delicious. Whether you're a seasoned baker or a novice in the kitchen, fear not. This comprehensive guide will equip you with all the knowledge and know-how to bake a loaf that will impress your family and friends. Get ready to roll up your sleeves, preheat those ovens, and let the baking commence. We'll explore everything from choosing the ripest bananas to mastering the perfect baking time. So put on your aprons and let's get baking. Before we dive into the mixing and baking, let's gather our essential ingredients. Remember, baking is a science, so having everything measured and ready is crucial for success. Ripe bananas, the stars of our show. Choose bananas that are speckled brown and very fragrant. The riper the bananas, the sweeter and more flavorful your bread will be. Flour all-purpose flour is our go-to choice. It provides the structure and texture we need for a perfect crumb. Sugar, granulated sugar, adds sweetness and helps with browning. Eggs. These bind our ingredients together and provide richness. Butter. Melted butter creates a tender and moist crumb. Baking soda. This is our leavening agent, responsible for that beautiful rise. Salt enhances the flavors and balances the sweetness. Now comes the fun part, bringing our ingredients together. Follow these simple steps and you'll be well on your way to banana bread bliss. 1. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius and grease a loaf pan. This prevents sticking and ensures easy removal. 2. In a large bowl, mash those ripe bananas until smooth. You can use a fork or a potato masher for this step. 3. Add the melted butter, sugar, and eggs to the mashed bananas. Mix well until everything is combined. 4. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, baking soda, and salt. This ensures the dry ingredients are evenly distributed. 5. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, mixing until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. 6. Pour the batter into the prepared loaf pan and spread evenly. You can add a sprinkle of chopped nuts or chocolate chips on top for extra indulgence. 7. Bake for 50 to 60 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Congratulations! You've baked a beautiful loaf of banana bread. Now let's explore some tips and variations to elevate your baking game. For a moister loaf, add a quarter cup of applesauce or yogurt to the batter. If you prefer a sweeter bread, increase the sugar by a quarter cup. To make gluten-free banana bread, simply substitute the all-purpose flour with a gluten-free blend. For a vegan option, replace the eggs with flax eggs, which is 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed mixed with 3 tablespoons of water, and use a plant-based butter alternative. Once baked, let the bread cool in the pan for 10 minutes before transferring it to a wire rack to cool completely. This prevents sogginess. Store your banana bread in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days, or freeze for longer storage. Mastering the art of banana bread baking is a rewarding experience. The joy of sharing a warm slice with loved ones is truly special. So go ahead, experiment with different variations, and don't forget to share your delicious creations.